Yeah, this for all
Well,
my
baby,
brothers. This one for all my brothers. I said I was gonna do it, so I might as well do it right. I'm fucking on your bitch all night. I'm fucking on your bitch all night. I got the Bud Light. I got the Bud Light on my side. Got the Marlboro Reds. Can I get 5 on the diesel? Can I get 5 on the diesel? Can I get 5 on the diesel? And a $20 scratcher. Bitch, I smoke on that backer. Smoking on tobacco in my pipe. You're a bitch, I have her by my side. I have her by my side at night time, cause I get scared, so I need her to keep me company. I'm on my tractor, beanie. I'm on tractor. Ain't nothing go faster than my tractor. Ain't nothing go faster than my tractor. I'm smoking on that backer. I like my tobacco. And I head to the farm and I pick up my corn. Bitch, now I'm watching porn. That's kinda sussy. So I rhyme with my Gussie Bussy. Can I get that Mr. Gene Bussy? I wanna touch it. I wanna touch it. She gon' get ugly. She gon' get hairy. I ain't talking about that Mr. Gene Bussy being calling me Larry. Cause I get to that shit. I'm like Larry the Lobster. I'm living my life. You're a copper. And I'm just on a farm. Can I get the shotgun? I heard the alarm. I'm at Thirsty Turtle. Took a break from the barn. Man, I took a break. Crack open the case of the Modelo. Catch me with my cello. Catch me with my cello in the bike.
But baby,
I don't smoke no crack. Cause I got my backer. I got my tobacco on my motherfucking tractor. They can't pull me over cause I'm faster. I'm a motherfucking tractor. I'm a motherfucking tractor. I'm a motherfucking tractor. Smoking on my backer. Smoking on my backer. Smoking on my backer. Smoking on my backer.